Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about frames in HTML, part of Web Technologies course. HTML frames allow you to divide a web page into multiple sections, each of which can display a different HTML document. They were used in the past to create multiple sections on a single web page. But it is not recommended to use frames in modern web development anymore. Frames are created using the frameset tag and its related tags frame and no frames. The frameset tag is used to define the layout of the frames. The frame tag is used to define the properties of each frame. And the no frames tag is used to provide an alternative content for browsers that do not support frames. Here is an example of how to create a simple frame set with two frames. This code will create a frame set with two columns. The first frame will display the content of the frame1.html file, and the second frame will display the content of frame2.html file. The sizes of the columns are set to 30% and 70% respectively. It is also possible to use the rows attribute instead of calls attribute to create rows of frames. Frames had several drawbacks, such as difficulty in bookmarking, poor accessibility, and poor SEO. Furthermore, modern web development practices recommend using CSS and JavaScript to create dynamic layouts rather than using frames. Therefore, it's not recommended to use frames in modern web development. In summary, frames were used to create multiple sections on a single web page. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.